Hi, my name is Jishnav and welcome to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to receive automatic notifications whenever I upload a new video. Today I am going to be telling you the story of how Devi killed the demons Shumba Nishumba, Chandamunda and Raktabij at the same time. Now let us start with the story without any further ado. As per the known stories derived from the Srimad Devi Bhagavad Puran, Shumba and Nishumba were the two Asura brothers who managed to obtain a boon from Lord Brahma that they will not be killed by any male, whether human being or animal, bird, etc., but by a woman only. They desired this boon, thinking that they will live forever, as they did not know of any woman who has killed them in battle. Thus empowered, these demons started disturbing the prayers of the saints, torturing them, and asking them to worship the duo rather than any other deity. The Devas realized that they cannot defeat the two brothers and remembered the promise of the goddess to come to their help whenever asked for. Gods then together praised the deity by saying that she was omnipresent, resided in each and every emotion and sensation of all beings in this universe. While the goddess emerged and understood the situation of the god, she took the form of Kaushiki and Kailika, and thus was born two beautiful goddesses. And when Chanda and Munda, the disciples of the demon's brothers, saw the goddesses, they immediately reported it to Shumba and Nishumba. Upon hearing their beauty, Shumba and Nishumba sent them marriage proposal, but the goddess told them that she has taken a vow to marry the one who can vanish her in a battle and take her forcibly. Thus incited into battle by the goddess, Shumba and Nishumba first sent a large army and their able generals to beat this beautiful lady. But upon being defeated, they sent Chanda and Munda, who also the goddess defeated, assuming the form of Mahakali, and thus goddess was also named Chanda Munda Nishudani, the one who beheaded the Asuras Chanda and Munda. Another name for this is Chamunda. As the battle became more and more fierce, seven more goddesses or Shaktis emerged from the bodies of seven Devatas to assist the goddess in the battle. These seven Devis are known as Saptramatrika, and I will explain about each and every one of them in detail in another video. At that time was sent to the battlefield the odd powerful demon Raktabija, who had been granted the strange boon that whenever his blood fell on the ground, it would take the form of a bija or a seed, and then from it will sprout another Raktabija. To slay him, the goddess asked Kali to lick the blood of Raktabija before it fell on the ground. The goddess in the meantime beheaded the demons. All the Shaktis together killed Nishumba and his army, just leaving Shumba. When Shumba realized that he had been outnumbered, he taunted the goddess that she alone cannot defeat him and needed the help of seven other goddesses to do so. The goddess got infuriated and merged all the Shaktis into herself and single handedly killed Shumba, thus freeing the world from evil. This is just one example of how Devi saved the world. Make sure to click on the like button and also make sure to comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.